Welcome to the unboxing of the brand new Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So these are the new Pro Galaxy Buds from Samsung, and let's see what they're all about. There's been a lot of rumors about them copying a lot from the AirPods, so we're going to see all about that in a few. These are the white ones. I'm not sure what the color is called, really. Yeah, white. It's called white. So there are the AirPods, okay, in their glorious white case, and you can see not the AirPods, sorry, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. There you are. So the lid of the case is transparent, so you can easily see if both of them are inside. You have the light there, status indicator light. You have what I believe is the pairing button down here. We have the charging port, and here are the Galaxy Buds. Now there's blue and red here. We're going to see what that's all about later. And that's what the Galaxy Buds look like. This should be a sensor, and then another one there. Now I'll be making subsequent videos on these Galaxy Buds to tell you what they're all about. That's the unboxing experience. Now besides the Galaxy Buds, you also get this little box which should have the charging cable and probably some documentation. So the charging cable is here. It's a type C to, let's say, yep, type C to type C. Then we have an extra set of ear tips in case you want to change the default ear tips. We have extra ear tips there. And then we also have some documentation. Yeah. And that's it. That's basically what you get in the box of your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Thank you for watching. Make sure you say subscribe because I'll be making subsequent videos on how to use this. I'll be showing you some tips and tricks, how to set up, how to use them. So make sure you stay tuned, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.